Hi everyone, I'm Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this sticky navbar that switches when you hit the bottom of the page. And as you can see, the logo switched to an arrow, and if I click on the arrow, it brings me back at the top of the page. So let's get started. Let's create a frame, add a radius. Now I will create the label. Press Ctrl Alt Enter and add a stack. Then make sure that the width and the height for the stack is on fit content. Go to padding. For the top I will add 6 pixels. For the right I will add 12 pixels. For the bottom 6 and for the left 12. Now let's call this label. Right click and create a component. Go to Fill and select the border color. Now go to Radius and type in maybe 40 pixels and create a hover variant. Select the primary one and reduce the opacity to 0. Then select the hover variant and bring up the opacity to 100%. Now select the portfolio label, go to content and create a plain text variant and call it label. Go to link and create a link variable as well. So that is gonna be the desktop. And now let's create a mobile one. The difference between the mobile label and the desktop one is that the mobile, it doesn't have a hover. So I will call this mobile and create a new variant. This one is gonna be the logo. So let's call this logo. Hide the text. Let me copy the logo and paste it inside here. Select the stack now and change from fit to fixed and make it 25 and 25 pixels. Make the logo smaller and let's create a new variant. We are gonna call this arrow. Hide the logo. Press Ctrl K and look up for icons. And now look up for arrow. Let's bring it inside the canvas. Press Ctrl X, paste it inside, make it smaller. Now create a hover variant. Make sure that this hover variant has 100% opacity, like this. So now select the stack, click on link and add a link variable. Go back to home, bring this inside the frame, select the frame, let's call this navbar. Click on layout. Now select the label, press Ctrl D twice. And let's select the center label. Make sure that it's a logo. So the right label, I will call it freebies. And now make sure that the navbar has the width and the height to fit. Go to padding and type in 8 pixels. Or maybe 12 pixels. And now let's add 12 pixels gap as well. And so select the navbar again, go to shadows, click on realistic, and this looks fine to me. Let's bring it inside the breakpoint. So press Ctrl X, select the breakpoint and paste it inside. Switch the type position from relative to fixed, and make sure that we have 20 pixels padding. Now, as you can see, when we scroll, we have a sticky navbar. However, when we hit the bottom of the page, the logo is not switching to an arrow, so we need to do that now. Select the logo, call the label logo. Now go to Effects and click on Scroll Variant. Select Section and View, select this icon, and then select the section, but we don't have any, so make sure that you select the footer, go to Scroll Section and call it footer or whatever you want. Then go back to the logo effects and now select the section and click on footer. Set variant to arrow. Select the logo again, go to link number 2 and click on home. Select the portfolio, go to link number 1 and click on home as well. And then select the freebies, click on the first link and select Framer Components. Select the navbar again and go to Styles and make sure that you have the index, then put the index to 10. Let's preview everything. And as you can see, guys, it is switching when we hit the bottom. Now I can hover, and if I click on it, it's gonna bring me on top of the page.